Hello, this training video is going to show you how to mark up your accessorials by broker. First, we're going to navigate to rates and select margins. The margin section is where you create your accessorial markups. Next, we're going to select add new margin at the top right hand side of the screen. When the create margin page opens up, the first thing you're going to do is select broker as your type. The other options are customer and tariff, which there are also training videos for. So we're going to select broker, and then next you're going to select the organization you want to mark up these accessorials for. So I'm going to go in and select one of my sub-organizations. Excuse me, we're going to do UFOP Los Angeles. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to create a set of markup accessorials that will apply to the broker or the organization UFOP Los Angeles. What that means is any customer you move underneath UFOP Los Angeles will receive these markups. Now, we definitely recommend using the tariff accessorial markup as the preferred method to mark up your accessorials, but you can also do it by broker. The downside of doing it by broker is that the accessorials will affect all the customers underneath you, and you might run into some issues when you try to move that customer from one organization to the other. Okay? But getting back to how you create the markup for a broker, you have the type broker. The broker is UFOP Los Angeles. Next, you have the mode, which is any, but these mainly apply for LTL, so I'm going to select LTL. Status is active. We have our effective date and our expiration date, which look fine here. Next, we have the markup section for the margins. So you would use this section if you were marking up or adding a margin to the broker UFOP Los Angeles. So I'm just going to X this out for now since we're focusing on accessorials. But to start creating your accessorial markups, simply type in the accessorial you want to mark up. I'm going to do my liftgate on delivery. Select the calculation type. You can do cost per hundredweight, flat pieces, markup percentage, or margin percentage. I'm going to go ahead and select markup percentage, and we're going to do 30%. You can set minimums and maximums, and you can also do it by cost, weight, handling, and average class criteria. We're going to keep it simple and just do a 30% markup on liftgate at delivery. So I'm going to click on the check mark, and there you go. So now what's going to happen is any customer under UFOP Los Angeles that selects the liftgate on delivery will receive a 30% markup on their sell rate. Okay? Now you don't have to create these one by one. In this one margin profile, you can add many accessorials. So I'm going to click on add accessorial detail once again. I'm going to type in liftgate, and then we're going to do liftgate on pickup. I'm also going to do a 30% markup on the liftgate on pickup. Then after I do that, I'm going to click on add accessorial detail. I'm going to type in another accessorial. Let's say it's a airport delivery charge. And for this one, I'm going to do a flat $10. So $10 will be added to the sell rate, and click on the check mark. So as you can see, you can do a mixture of different accessorials, different calculation types. You can do it all in one profile. That way, if you ever need to make an adjustment, you can just come here to the one profile, adjust it, and it'll affect the accessorial for all your customers. Once you're done setting up the accessorial markups, click on Save and Add Details. And now your profile has been set up. So again, since this is for the broker accessorials, any customer under UFOP Los Angeles is going to receive these markups. To learn how to mark up accessorials by customer and by tariff, please view our other training videos. Thank you.